Want to Mastering Remote Work, a digital nomad guide by Central Training Academy? This guide dives into the strategies and tools you need to excel in a remote work environment. Viewers will gain practical advice to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the digital nomad lifestyle with confidence. Outline setting up your digital nomad command center. Optimize your workspace for productivity anywhere. Essential gear and minimalist setups. Use cloud-based tools for seamless collaboration and file access. Ensure reliable internet access globally. ES, MS, portable hotspots and co-working spaces. Cultivating a productive remote work routine design. A dynamic daily schedule balancing work, exploration, and self-care. Apply time management methods like Pomodoro or time blocking to stay focused. Maintain clear boundaries between work and personal life while traveling. Mastering remote communication and collaboration. Use effective strategies for asynchronous communication across time zones. Harness video conferencing tools for powerful meetings and client interactions. Build strong professional networks and community, even when physically distant. Navigating the logistical landscape. Understand visa requirements and tax rules for long-term digital nomad life. Apply travel hacking tips, flights, accommodations, and transport savings. Prioritize health and wellness on the road, insurance, fitness, and mental well-being. Sustaining the digital nomad lifestyle. Long-term develop strategies for financial stability and managing fluctuating income. Embrace cultural differences and enjoy local experiences in new destinations. Future-proof your remote career with continuous learning and skill development. Question and relatability. Are you tired of the daily commute and dreaming of a life where your office could be anywhere with Wi-Fi? Imagine traveling the world while building a thriving career. This video isn't just about remote work. It's your roadmap to mastering the digital nomad lifestyle, filled with strategies and tools for success. Benefit-oriented and intrigue. Unlock the secrets to excelling in remote work, no matter where you are in the world. We're diving deep into the practical advice and essential tools that separate thriving digital nomads from those just getting by. Get ready to transform your work-life balance and embrace the unmatched opportunities of a location-independent career. Problem/solution and call to action. Struggling to stay focused in a remote setting or feeling overwhelmed by the challenges of digital nomad life? We've got the solutions you've been looking for. This guide equips you with proven strategies and must-have tools to navigate the ups and downs of remote work and truly master your freedom.